Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'll show you how to install apps from unknown source in Honor Play 11 Plus. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.